Hello students, welcome back to channel Excel Express. So in the previous videos we had learned about the movement in the cities where middle class people participated, and gradually the movement then spread to countryside where peasants and the tribals revolted against the Britishers. Today we will take up the topic 2.3 Swaraj in the Plantations, page number 36, that is from my NCERT book. You please check out yours. So let's begin with the topic. Everyone, be it middle class, peasants, tribals, had their own notions and belief system about Swaraj. When Gandhiji started the non-cooperation movement in 1921, the idea of Swaraj spread everywhere. Plantation workers of Assam also came to know about this. They refused to obey the authorities, left the tea gardens and set off for home. For the plantation workers, Swaraj meant first right to go home. They were not allowed to leave tea gardens without permission. They had to seek prior permission, which was hardly and rarely granted. Second, end of Inland Immigration Act of 1859. This law said that workers could not leave tea gardens. If they ran, police could catch them. Third one, keep a link with their village. These workers were brought from Bihar, Orissa, UP to Assam and were forced to work. They wanted to meet the family members, which was not allowed once entered the tea garden. Fourth one, getting land in their own village. They believed Gandhi Raj was coming and everyone would get the land. What did they do then? Thousands of workers left the plantation when they heard about Swaraj. They believed Gandhi Raj was coming and everyone would get the land in their own village. Meanwhile, as they were heading home, they were caught and stopped by the police and badly beaten by them. Thus, Swaraj had different meanings for different groups and interpreted in different way, with a belief that their sufferings and all troubles would come to an end, no matter what their problems were, but everyone's voice raised for one demand, that is Swatantra Bharat. Now, before I wrap up, here's a quick fact file for you all. Plantation owners built special jails made of bamboo inside the tea gardens. If a worker tried to escape or defy the Inland Immigration Act of 1859, they were caught and locked inside the bamboo jail. The garden managers acted as judge and gave them punishment accordingly. That's all for today. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Any problem, please feel free to ask. See you soon. Bye-bye.